For today's recipe, I'm going to create it in my favorite kitchen appliance of all time, my slow cooker. Now, if you don't have one, don't worry about it. We'll get to that in a second. Most people use their slow cookers, if they use them at all, in the winter to make hearty stews and soups. But I use it all year long because in the winter it's great, but in the summer it doesn't make the kitchen hot. So for those of you who don't have one of these babies, you probably have one of these babies right here. So just follow the recipe along, and everything I do in here, just do in here. And when it comes time to cook it, you're just going to put this in your oven at 325 for 4 hours. That's all there is to it. So let's get started. You will need 3 to 4 pounds of pork tenderloin, 2 apples, 1 sweet onion, a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons teriyaki sauce, Chinese 5-spice, and salt. Chop the apple into cubes and slice the onion. Grate the ginger and add it to the apples and onions. Then add your chopped garlic. Liberally season the tenderloin on both sides with salt and Chinese 5-spice. Heat the toasted sesame oil over medium-high heat and brown the tenderloins on all sides. Add your fruit, vegetables, and remaining seasonings to the pot, cover, and cook on high for 4 hours. This is a great meal to serve family style on a big platter over a bed of rice with vegetables, or you can serve it in individual rice bowls. No matter how you serve it, you're going to love cooking it because it pretty much cooks itself while you're outside soaking up the summer sun.